You ever try to learn something new and your brain just goes, yeah, nope? Maybe it's coding, playing guitar, or just trying to remember anything from that textbook you stared at for 3 hours. Here's the thing. Most of us were never taught how to learn, but science has figured it out. There are techniques, real ones, that help you learn faster, remember longer, and actually master the skill. Let's break down the top 5 learning strategies backed by science that you can start using today. 1. Spaced repetition. Let's start with the big one, spaced repetition. This is the opposite of cramming. Cramming feels productive, but it doesn't last. Spaced repetition means reviewing material over time, like day 1, day 3, day 7. Instead of trying to learn everything in one go, it's like doing reps for your brain, but spaced out so it actually remembers. You can use apps like Anki or even just flashcards and a calendar. It works for anything. Languages, history, definitions, even formulas. The magic happens between the study sessions when your brain is doing the hard work in the background. 2. Active recall. Here's a mistake almost everyone makes. They read something and think they know it, but recognition is not the same as recall. So try this. After reading or watching something, close the book and try to explain it in your own words. If you can't, you don't know it yet. If you can, you're locking it into memory, quizzing yourself, summarizing out loud, writing it down. That's active recall. It's not about reading more. It's about pulling information out of your brain. That's what builds real memory. 3. Interleaving. This one's a game changer. Instead of practicing one skill over and over, like 20 of the same math problem, mix them up. Do a few algebra problems, then switch to geometry, then a word problem. It feels harder and because your brain has to think. But that's struggle. That's how learning happens. It helps you recognize when to use a concept, not just how. Same thing works with sports, music, coding. Don't just repeat. Mix and switch. Your brain gets smarter by making those connections. 4. Elaborative interrogation. Ever read a fact and think, okay, but why? That's actually a learning technique. It's called elaborative interrogation. Basically, ask yourself, why does this make sense? Let's say you read, plants need sunlight to grow. Instead of just memorizing it, ask, why? That simple question pushes your brain to connect new ideas to what you already know, which makes the info easier to remember later. The more connections you build, the stronger your understanding. So don't just take notes. Ask questions, even if you're the only one answering. 5. Rest and retrieval. Rest is part of learning. And no, that's not just an excuse for a nap. Your brain literally replays what you just learned while you sleep. It's called memory consolidation. So yes, your brain keeps working after you stop. But here's the part most people don't know. Doing nothing, like staring out the window or taking a mind-wandering break, also boosts learning. Yep, boredom helps. It gives your brain space to reflect, process, and connect dots. We're so used to filling every moment with noise, scrolling, watching, multitasking, but stepping back, even for a few minutes, lets the brain breathe. So after you study, don't just switch to TikTok or YouTube. So next time you're learning something, anything, try using even one of these. It might feel harder at first, but that's how you know it's working. And hey, if this helped you out, give it a like, share it with someone who's stuck in cram mode, and subscribe for more brain-boosting tips.